Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily book an appointment for Mexico visa. So just head over to citas.sre.gov.mx, and from this webpage, all you have to do is log into your account by clicking on this button. And from here, all you have to do is log in using your phone number or email and also enter in your password. But if you still doesn't have an existing account, you're going to need to create an account by clicking on create account. So once you're logged into your account, just head over and click on the schedule button. You will then be redirected to a page where you can start scheduling an appointment. You can start by choosing country, province, and consular office. If the office that you'll have to apply according to your location doesn't appear, it means there is no availability and you will have to wait until new slots are open. And if there is availability, just select the corresponding consular office and confirm. So after you click accept, just scroll down to continue to the applicant's information section. And from here, you're going to need to enter in your CURP, but it only applies for Mexican citizens. If you're a foreign national, you should click on agregar manualmente. From here, all you have to do is fill in the applicant's information, then click on verify. Next is just click on continue. Next is just check the visas box, then click on agregar button. There are two types of appointments for visa. Choose SIN if you're applying for business or tourism visa, and choose CON if you're applying for a work permit visa. Also choose a purpose for your visa application. You can see an English translation on your screen. So next, this is just applicable for Mexican residents. If you're a foreign national, all you have to do is click on both no, then just click on continue. Next is just fill out the applicant's address, then click on continue. You will then be redirected to the calendar page where you can start to choose a schedule for your appointment. Green means high availability, yellow means low availability, and orange means almost no availability. Just choose a specific date, then click on the book button. Next is you will be prompted to download the appointment confirmation. Just click on the Descarga confirmation link. You will also receive a confirmation email with the confirmation attached as a PDF file. On the day of the appointment, you must bring the printed version of the appointment confirmation. And just by that, you have now successfully booked an appointment for Mexico visa. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!